we have already previously had a look at the reaction of your alkali metals with water, and we had a look at the general equation, we had a look at the word equation. Let's see if we can convert the word equation into a chemical equation. I'm just going to pick a random alkali metal. So let's go with sodium. So we know that sodium plus water gives you sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. Okay, for GCSEs, you need to be able to write chemical equations. So let's see how we can go from the word equation to our chemical equation. Well, in this case, sodium is just an element and it's a metal. So metals usually as elements, we just write their formula as the chemical formula on the periodic table. So sodium will just be written as Na. And hopefully you all know the chemical formula of water. So it's going to be H2O. If there are any confusions. Okay, what about sodium hydroxide? So now this is an ionic compound because I have sodium, a metal. Hydroxide is a negative compound ion. Therefore, I have a metal and I have a positive ion and a negative ion. Therefore, I end up with ionic bonding. So let's see if we can work out the chemical formula of sodium hydroxide. So everything in group 1, so group 1 metals, form plus charge ions, and hydroxide is a compound ion. Again, please watch my previous videos because we went over this, but you just need to learn the formula of hydroxide, and the formula of hydroxide is OH minus. So I have one positive charge and one negative charge. So overall, this is now neutral. I don't really need to do anything more. So this is a simple and straightforward one. So what's going to be the formula of sodium hydroxide? Well, it's NaOH because I only have one sodium and one hydroxide plus hydrogen. We're not just going to write this for hydrogen because hydrogen doesn't exist like this. This just, if I was to convert this into a atomic structure, this is what hydrogen would look like. It has a one electron in its outer shell and it's unstable, so it doesn't exist like hydrogen by itself. Therefore, so we end up with another hydrogen atom that come into close proximity and they end up sharing a pair of electrons. Hopefully this wording sounds familiar, and you can pop down into the comments what you think this sort of bonding is called, and we end up with a molecule that looks like this. So it's HH. So how many hydrogen atoms do you see per molecule of hydrogen? It's H2. So this is formula of hydrogen. It's H2. It exists as a diatomic molecule, and this is covalent bonding.